ice cube tray with lid and a bin. If you're tired of using regular ice cube trays, this gadget is made just for you. It's not just for making ice, it's perfect for storing it too. It comes with a tray that has a lid to protect the ice from absorbing other smells in the freezer. Plus, it includes a separate storage bin for the ice and a mini scooper, so you can easily serve ice without any hassle. Imagine you're entertaining guests and need ice frequently. If you've already stored ice using this tray, just scoop and serve. It leaves a smart impression. No worries about melting or hygiene. A smart yet simple solution that's absolutely brilliant. Chilled condiment server. Keeping condiments or chutneys cool during parties, burger nights, or small get-togethers is a real challenge. This condiment server solves that problem perfectly. It comes with 5 separate compartments, with a space below to add ice. So your sauces, mayo, salad dressings, or chopped veggies stay fresh and chilled for hours. Picture this. You're hosting a friend's party, making burgers live. You place the server on the table. Everyone will be impressed by its design and practicality. It's not just a server, it's a hosting statement. It shows how much you care about the details. The sparkling water maker. Do you think store-bought sparkling water or soda is safe? Do you know how much sugar, preservatives, and acid go into them? This sparkling water maker gives you full control. You can make your own soda drinks at home. Lemon flavor, mint flavor, even custom fruit infusions. The best part, it works without electricity. Just insert a CO2 capsule and add fizz to your water with a single click. On a hot day, make a refreshing sparkling drink. Since you made it yourself, you know exactly what's in it. Healthy, cost-saving, and gives you that restaurant-quality feel. Mini personal fridge. We all use refrigerators. But what if you could keep a compact fridge on your desk, beside your bed, or next to your gaming setup? This personal fridge makes that possible. It's small but powerful. You can store 5-6 cans, medicine, beauty products, or even small fruits in it. Studying late at night and feeling thirsty? Just reach over, open the fridge, and enjoy cold water or juice without leaving your seat. It's not just comfort, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Ideal for gamers, office workers, and even nursing moms. This gadget is simply amazing. LED USB clock fan. Working at your desk often makes you sweat, and checking the time means picking up your phone again and again. This little USB fan solves both problems. It gives you a breeze and displays the time with a spinning LED. It helps you stay focused while adding a futuristic touch to your desk. Imagine you're giving a live presentation and need to keep track of time. This fan shows it right in front of you. Small gadget, big impact. Touchless garbage can. In today's world, we all need to be more conscious about hygiene. But while cooking, opening the trash lid with your hands over and over again, not ideal. This touchless garbage can is a smart solution. Just move your hand near it. The sensor activates and the lid opens. Drop your trash and it closes on its own. Got dirty hands from cutting fish? No worries, no touch needed. Whether it's the kitchen, bathroom, kids' room, or office, this is a smart and sanitary choice for any space. These were 6 smart gadgets that can make your lifestyle easier, better, and more stylish. Often our problems are small, but without the right solutions, we struggle unnecessarily. So check the links in the description now. You can buy each of these gadgets directly. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.